Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are all about precision in the kitchen as we explore the best food scales of the year. Whether you're a home chef, a baking enthusiast, or just trying to keep your diet on track, the right scale can be your best friend. We'll break down top picks, features, and what to look for. Stay tuned to find your perfect match in the kitchen. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Gadgetly Food Digital Kitchen Scale. Gadgetly's food scales boast timeless, elegant designs at competitive prices. This specific model can handle weights up to 11 pounds and offers measurements in ounces, grams, fluid ounces, or milliliters. The glossy silver finish not only adds a touch of style to any kitchen, but is also simple to maintain, though other color options are available. In our tests, we measured 0.25 cups of sugar in 5 separate trials and found the results reliably consistent. Albeit the scale consistently read 1 gram less than the expected 50 grams, the digital display is somewhat small and can be challenging to view from an angle. But its bright backlight enhances readability. Note that the backlight turns off after 30 seconds of non-use, which wasn't a concern during our laboratory tests. We appreciated the non-slip grips on the base that prevent the scale from sliding during use. The medium-sized scale measures 7x5, 5 inches, and the large version is 8x6, 1 inches. With both models just under 1 inch thick, making them impressively compact and easy to store. The scale's surface is flat, and it features neatly laminated buttons that are straightforward to wipe clean with just a damp cloth and some soap. Pros: affordable, compact and stylish, available in 2 sizes, pre-installed AAA batteries. Cons: small LCD screen. Number 2. Greater Goods Digital Food Kitchen Scale. The Greater Goods Digital Food and Kitchen Scale is compact and stylish, featuring a subtle grey color that blends seamlessly into any kitchen decor, which is a detail we greatly appreciate. In terms of accuracy, it performs averagely. However, in the realm of kitchen scales, average accuracy is quite satisfactory. Occasional discrepancies of about 1 gram are generally negligible for most home or kitchen users. While the CR2032 battery it uses is relatively common, it's not as ubiquitous as the AAA batteries found in many other scales. Fortunately, the longevity of batteries in kitchen scales means replacements are infrequent. In our tests involving speed comparisons for startup times, the Greater Goods scale ranks somewhat lower, trailing our fastest model by nearly a second. Though this delay is slight, it can be significant in practical terms, potentially determining whether the scale is used regularly for portion control or overlooked during meal prep. Quick activation is a key advantage in kitchen scales, as it encourages consistent use by eliminating wait times. This model is ideal for those seeking a smaller, affordable scale. Number 3. Ozeri Pronto Digital Multifunction Kitchen Food Scale. Despite its affordable price, the Ozeri Pronto Digital Multifunction Kitchen and Food Scale Model ZK14S is far from simple. Renowned for its sturdy home products, Ozeri offers a range of kitchen scales, with the Pronto standing out due to its versatile functionality, precise measurements, and compact, attractive design. It's often compared by experts to the top-rated Escala Primo. Although it may be slightly slower in registering weights, consumer feedback highlights its robust construction and ease of use, without much concern for the brief delay in weighing. The scale is equipped with 2 large buttons that emit a satisfying click when pressed, a feature appreciated by many users. These mechanical-style buttons are particularly reliable, functioning well even with wet or damp fingers. Unlike touch-sensitive controls, the Pronto's elegant design mirrors that of more expensive models and comes in a choice of 13 colors, each featuring a generously sized chrome weighing platform, making it ideal for use with large plates or bowls. One drawback, however, is its non-backlit digital display and the scale's automatic shutdown after just 2 minutes of inactivity, which some may find inconvenient. Should any issues arise, Ozeri backs the Pronto with a 1-year limited warranty, as detailed in the user manual. Number 4. Nicewell 22 pounds Digital Kitchen Food Scale. While not everyone requires the capability to weigh substantial quantities of food or ingredients, the Nicewell Digital Scale is an excellent choice for those who might need this feature in the future. This highly regarded scale doesn't compromise on functionality for everyday kitchen use, accommodating weights from 1 gram up to 22 pounds. It earns high marks from consumers for its precision, sleek look, responsive performance, and user-friendliness, with 82% of Amazon reviewers awarding it 5 stars. Given its capacity to handle up to 22 pounds, the Nicewell features a large weighing surface, making the display easy to read even when obscured by a big bowl, plate, or container. Although some users have reported issues with water exposure, the manual specifies that only the weighing surface is waterproof, not the entire unit. Despite its robust functionality, the Nicewell digital scale is remarkably slim, fitting easily into a drawer, and includes a convenient hook for hanging, with the entire unit weighing less than 1.5 pounds. Pros: thin, sleek and easy to store, large displays backlit, smooth, easy clean stainless finish. Cons: capacitive, touchscreen buttons. Number 5. Gadgetly Digital Rechargeable Food Kitchen Scale. If you're looking to cut down on the number of batteries you use, the Gadgetly Rechargeable Food Kitchen Scale offers a sustainable, efficient alternative. It charges via a USB-A port using the included cable, connected to any standard battery pack or power adapter. Note that it does not support charging with a USB-C to USB-C cable, which can be a bit inconvenient. In our tests, the scale proved accurate enough for all our recipes to come out perfectly, even when we doubled portions due to its generous weight capacity. The scale's slim design is great for storage, sliding easily into a drawer, though this can make it challenging to view the display when large bowls obscure it. For best results, ensure your bowl is centered on the scale, particularly if you're using wide bowls common in baking. While this requires a bit of attention, it's generally manageable. Overall, with its robust features and eco-friendly design, the Gadgetly Rechargeable Food Kitchen Scale is an excellent choice for any kitchen. Pros: runs on a rechargeable battery, high weight capacity, responsive buttons. Cons: requires a USB-A to USB-C cable.